Buona giornata and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you are new here. So today I thought we would do, I always forget to update you guys on products, so I thought today we would do kind of a recap of things I've reviewed for the first time and kind of just let you know if I'm still loving them, if I ended up hating something after a while and taking it back. So we will just kind of do like little reviews of products. I don't have too much in front of me. There's definitely still stuff from the Sephora VAB that I'm not going to include in here because I haven't been trying it out long enough to give you guys like a full opinion, you know? But let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. And let's go ahead and jump in. So I'm not going to lie, I just filmed this look, so I don't know which one will be up first. Probably the look first, but I changed from one robe into, into another robe because I'm like, it's hot in here and I'm just like, oh, it's so nice and airy. It's so good. So, and I never actually use these. I love silk robes and I never ever wear them. So now I found a purpose for them. Very happy, even though it makes me look lazy. But they're pretty, right? So it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and get on with this. So these are things I have bought in the past probably 6 months. Most of them are pretty recent, but there's a few older ones that I want to try out longer, especially skincare stuff. So we'll start with those. So I have here the Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins. You guys can tell I've used a good amount, but not even a good amount. I've used some, okay? I've been using this now for about a month. I don't use it every day. Most of my skincare, I rotate between a few products that I really like, and I don't really change it up too much. I like whatever is reacting well with my face, and that's it, you know? So I don't use this twice a day. That's what it recommends. It's really good. It's the clean thing at Sephora, okay? Youth to the People. I really love this, one, because it has a pump. I feel like every single, like, cleanser now should be bottled like this. Like, it makes me nervous because it's glass, but you're not moving it around because it's just sitting on the counter. You pump one squirt and that's it. So I adore this packaging, like, so much. My husband almost drank this because he literally thought it was like kale juice on the counter, and I was like, don't you touch it. That's expensive kale juice. But yeah, I've been loving this. The only thing I will say, it does dry out my face a little bit. I would say I have normal-ish skin, maybe leaning towards the drier side, but this does dry it out, so that's why I don't use it every single day. I love the way my face feels. I feel extra clean with it, and I have noticed that it's helped me a little bit more with breakouts. Like, I love my Tatcha face wash, but that does make me feel clean, and Nick loves it. Like, he is a Tatcha fan now. I cannot even tell you. But he loves that cleanser, and even though I love it, it's gentle and I can use that every single day, like twice a day, and it doesn't dry my skin out. It doesn't necessarily help me with my skin. Like, it doesn't, other than cleaning my face, it's not going to help me with, you know, pimples and stuff like that. Whereas I feel like this has actually been making a difference in that, so I like this a lot. A lot. And then the only other skincare thing that I feel like I can actually update you guys on that I've been using for a while, these are the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. It is the Nourishing Face Oil. And let's see what it says. Rich source of botanical extracts, strengthen skin for all types. I would say it definitely, I don't notice that it's helping my skin, if that makes sense. I wash my face and then I will kind of put this on as a moisturizer. I don't always use a lotion, so I just like something lightweight. I'm on the rare side where I really don't love the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. I don't. It's too thick for me, whereas this is not as thick, and so I really like it. It gives my skin a really nice glow. It's kind of what I use for like no makeup days, and I just want a radiant skin thing, and it definitely looks hydrated. My face looks nice and hydrated, and it's affordable. It's Pixi. It's still not the cheapest thing at the drugstore, let me tell you that though. Just saying. But it is a good product, and I really like it, and it makes me want to venture out into more Pixi products. Next up, we have the Spectral palette from Linda Hallberg. Oh, she's so pretty to look at. So pretty. I know you guys have been asking for, or some of you not all of you, but some of you guys have been asking for another look with this, which I do plan on doing. But kind of like what I said in that video, it's not the most cohesive palette to use. I literally just dip into this when I want a one color like look. So like if I just want to use the purple, or I just want a green, or you know what I mean? So I will definitely still do a video on it, but if your preference is more of just like that one color look, I think you would love this. The shimmer for me is still not the best quality out there. They don't give you that, like, they're not Natasha Denona or like Pat McGrath, you know what I mean? Like the shimmers are pretty, but they're not all that. So I really just love the mattes in here. So it's I feel like only specific people would really love this, but I still really enjoy it, and I love the formula in here. So I'm still very happy with it, but it's not everyone's cup of tea, you know? I don't even think I need to bring up the Fenty bronzers. I have 3 shades. I'm in love. You guys have seen me now use these like in every single video. I have a Fenty bronzer on. I have one on my face today, which is, the one I have on my face today is Beijing Gal, that one. But I do have Island Ting, and I also have Caramel Cutie. But I've talked about this in another video. It all depends on what brush I use in terms of how dark it goes on, because I look at this one and I'm like, whoa. And I've also heard like Makeup by Cheryl mention this shade, and she's a lot fair skin, and she really enjoys this shade as well. So it's, you know, there's a shade for everyone. Okay. And I wish people would stop, you know, I feel like there's so much shaming, and like, you use that shade that doesn't match you, or you use this that's too light for you. Like, everybody has different preferences. Everyone likes different things. Like, cosmetic is just makeup. I feel like I constantly get that in my head where I'm just like, it's just makeup. Like, relax. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, weird purchase that I did at Sephora VAB that I did not mention because it came after. But this is the Marvis Whitening Mint Toothpaste. And I mean, it's weird to talk about toothpaste, but I actually do really see a difference with this toothpaste. My teeth is definitely like a big insecurity of mine. I've always had bad teeth. It's just kind of like in my family, whatever my dad has, I have, and whatever my mom has, my sisters have. Like, and it's just, yeah, bad teeth, just, it's a whole story. And yeah, this is actually whitening. It does make my teeth the tiniest bit more sensitive than like my normal Crest toothpaste, but I will suffer through it for whiter teeth. And I really like the flavor of it. It's like a really nice spearminty, pepperminty tasting toothpaste. I absolutely hate brushing my teeth. I do it, but I hate it. Next up, we have the Jouer palette, the blush palette. I still adore this palette. It is Bouquet d'Amour. So this is what it looks like. I have been using this almost every day, but I really still, I love it. It's the only thing I really need. I haven't been reaching for a ton of other blushes. I'm really not a blush girl, but this is perfect. And they're light enough to me, like, because I don't like a lot of blush, it just gives me that nice, like, little wash. They can definitely be built up, but like today I have on the Adore Me shade, this really light pink, and this is a perfect amount of blush for me. I don't like to like go in on blush, and I actually love Treasure Me, which is this orangey shade. It's gonna be great for summer. So highly recommend. That gets my vote for show. Things that I'm just like, not things, but I did want to update you guys on the Fenty liners. I'm not gonna lie, after I filmed that video and I was editing, I was like, this look is not that great, like, I'm gonna be torn to shreds. I get really self-conscious, and then I really like take time to think about it, and I'm like, okay, I'm not a makeup artist. Most of everybody that watches YouTube is not a makeup artist, and if this looks crappy on me, it's probably not gonna look the best on everybody else either, and I would rather have them see it. I feel like I want to be someone that like people look at and be like, oh, I can relate to her, or, you know what I mean? I don't always want it to be a perfect thing, so it's like, I'm not going to reshoot this. Like, leave it, it's fine, it's going to be okay. The darker shades I kept, And I feel like if you're gonna choose between the sets, the darkest set is the best one by far. The lighter ones I got, the salmon shade, just did not show up that well on my skin tone. And then the other ones just cracked a little bit. I still have the tiniest bit of cracking with the deeper set, but I don't think it's half as bad as the other one. So I kept the darker side of the Fenty liners. I love the colors. I wish they were sold individually so you could pick which color, but yes, I did want to be honest and say I returned the one set because it just was not the best one. And I still really recommend using a different liner brush with these. I've played with them more. They definitely go on way smoother with a different brush. I think this one is just a little bit too bendy, so getting a precise application was just too much. And then lastly, I have a few more products. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face. I have mixed feelings about it. I really like this when I'm not wearing foundation because it is just that like nice wet looking highlight. Thing is, it does stay wet. Not wet to where like my face falls in it and it gets stuck and I'm like not like that. Definitely could be though. But the thing is, it kind of does transfer a little bit down the cheeks, especially when it's hot outside. And my biggest issue is that I forget and I tend to touch my face a lot, and then I put my fingers in my face and I feel like I put my fingers in a gloss. Like, it does stay wet all day. I still really love it though, and I need to start trying to use this under foundation as like a primer. I know Alana Davison does that and she loves it that way, so I am going to try it out that way. But I still think it's gorgeous. It's just, it's not going to be a product that everybody likes. Like, I'm surprised I like it due to the fact that it's sticky. But I love the way it looks. So, and then last two, these Jeffree Star products. I feel weird even bringing these up right now. But I still love these. Like, the concealer I really like. Is it been my everyday go-to? No. I still love my Born This Way. But I still really like this. I reach for this when I'm doing makeup, definitely not no makeup days. I got the shade C12 and I have no complaints. The powder, I think between the two is the star of the two products. I have been using this a lot lately. This and the Fenty one have been like my switch, and the Huda. But I still love the scent of this, like the light cotton candy smell of it. It's just like, it's so good. So good. So I really like this. I feel like it does blur out my under eyes, is mostly where I use it. But I would definitely recommend this. And same thing with the packaging. The packaging is my favorite part of this. Like, I love this little split thing where you just kind of wheel it and get out what you need, because other powders just go crazy, you know? It just looks like a little like bomb went off whenever you open the lid, and it just, you feel like you're wasting product all the time. So I really appreciate this lid, and the smell of the cotton candy is just, it's heavenly. It's so nice. But yeah, I think that is it. Actually, no, I have this guy here. I have this on my eyelashes today. This is the Milk Makeup Lash Primer, Kush Lash Primer, and I really enjoy it. Do I use it every day? No, because I forget. But I know it's not for everybody. You guys can kind of see my lashes right now. It does make them a little bit clumpy, but it makes them just, I have lashes, you know? Like, it just makes me look like I have lashes, especially my bottom lash line. I've always struggled, and I just really, really enjoy this. I will say the one thing is kind of annoying. I feel like all lash primers are generally white, so you really have to make sure that you go in after and use it. The CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara has been one of my favorites lately, so I'll take this, leave it on for a few seconds, and then go over it with the CoverGirl. And for the most part, it's pretty waterproof. Like, I haven't had a problem with it, except for when it does get in my eyes, it does sting the crap out of my eyes. I don't know if that's the mascara or the primer, but it's happened to me a few times, and I look ridiculous. Like, I'm on the treadmill and I'm just like, oh, this is awful, you know, but it's fine. But yeah, those are my recent updates. I will definitely do another one of these. I will hopefully remember to do these because I had bought a lot of lip products and a lot of other products as well, but I wanted to make sure I used them enough to be able to give you guys a good update on them and let you know what I was loving, what I wasn't loving, all that good stuff. So Let me know if you guys have any questions down below, what you guys think of any of these products, if you've used them, what are your thoughts, have you guys ever changed your mind after reviewing a product, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.